We'll guide you through how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp. So for whatever reason you want to go and change your profile picture, perhaps you've got a cool new photo you're updating your socials with and you want to go and use it, or alternatively you just don't like your WhatsApp profile picture. Maybe it's old or there's another reason. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. You can do this whether you're on an iPhone or an Android or another type of phone as well, so let's go and dive straight into this. So for example, on an iPhone, when you look in the bottom right, you can go and see the option for settings. However, I know on some devices you won't, so if you don't, go to the top right on the chats page, press the three dots and the settings should be there, and then in an iPhone, press settings in the bottom right, as I said. Here we are. Now what we need to do is you need to go to the top and you'll go and see your profile there. You can see mine says Rob, and you'll go and see your current icon. What you want to do is just go and tap on your name at the top, and this will bring you to the profile page. And then you'll go and see your profile picture bigger at the top. Just beneath it is an edit button. So you can go and tap edit like so, and you'll get this pop up. So then to go and change it, you can go and take one now, or you can go and choose one from your photos. You could also import them as well or create an avatar, but we're gonna go and choose one from our gallery. So I'll press choose photo. Your photos will then go and open up, and you can go and find the photo you want to use and select it. You can then go and pinch on it to go and crop it and adjust it to your liking. And then when you're ready, you can press choose in the bottom right. Now it's gone and updated, as you can see, and that's now going to go and be used. So now you can continue using WhatsApp and return to your chats. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again soon. Goodbye for now.